Okay, so I'm gonna start off by saying that I'm gonna attempt to create a roof plan. That's the plan. But I'll probably see something and then I will do something. But the goal is to create a roof plan. I already see something. I don't like this. That is let's see, where is that? Let's go to my visibility graphics. I'm gonna turn off the architects just to see where it's coming from. So it's coming from the architect's model. I'm gonna undo that and go back to edit this model, the architect's model. Now I need to turn off the site category. Okay, I'm gonna come here and type S. So we can go all the way down to site. I'm going to OK that, and it should be, boom, it's gone. Okay, so back to the task at hand. As you can see, plumbing, let's do something different. I'm gonna rearrange this. This is view discipline. I'm gonna right click on this browser, or the view discipline in the project browser, and it's gonna come up to the browser organization. And this is how the structure of my browser organization, this tree structure, okay? So I think I want to edit. Okay. Grouping, I want the sort by to be ascending. Let's say okay, yes, okay. I like that better. I don't know why, but it looks better. You know, you count from top to bottom, 1, 2, 3. I don't know, left to right, 1, 2, 3, right? So where was I? I am creating a roof plan. Let's create this roof plan, okay? Looks like I've set up water, L1 L1 sanitary. Okay, and these are different. Okay, let's double click on this sanitary. There's a roof sanitary and a roof water right now. I mean, it may be, I don't know what's going to happen. I may combine the water because not a whole lot is going on the roof other than in terms of water. Not a whole lot is going on the roof other than the vent coming up through the roof or our roof drainage, right? There's not a lot of water coming up there. I mean, unless there's an air handling unit or there's a chiller or something going up to the roof, but there's nothing like that with this project. So I may combine those two, but for now, I'm working on the sanitary. And as you can see, it is a mess. Okay, so when you first open up your plumbing model, and you go to your collaborate, and you copy monitor, all of your views, your floor plans, right? And you bring all of those in, and this is what you've created, right? And so because I'm setting up my roof plan, this is what it looks like when all of the other models come in, and we want to apply those models to each view, right? So this is what it looks like. We're gonna clean that up, okay? In AutoCAD, we always had some type of a list program, right? To clean this up. Just go into the list routine, and it'll, turn all the colors that the architects had, or turn it on and off. Okay, so if those who are familiar with AutoCAD, this is not unfamiliar. Okay, or even in Revit, if you use Revit before. So I'm gonna clean this up the best way I can. Let's go here. I like this view just because. just because. So the first thing I would do is go to your visibility graphics, okay? Go to visibility graphics and turn off the other models, however many models that is. You want to turn all those off except the architect's model. Because the architect is your roof plan. It's not the HVAC, the plumbing, or the structure, right? Or even the structure, there's a lot of going back and forth. Is it the structure's model, or are we going by the architect's model? 9 times out of 10, you're going to go by the architect's model. If you got a problem with that, talk to the structure guys. Okay. So yeah, just turn off all of those other models. Let's go back and say, okay, we're going to okay to that. You see that? So there was a set that was off. I think it's these two. This 3 and that top 3. That's the bottom 3. That's the top 3. Those 2 are turned off. Can I go forward? Okay, yeah. So what we're showing here is the architect's grid. So I'm going to go back, and you always want to use your own grid. I'm going to go here, and I'm going to do 2 or 3 things while I'm in this environment, this display link, and what's the other one? Visibility graphics box. I'm going to view by link, okay? And I'm just because I don't, well, you can go to the architect's model and open it up and see what their roof plan looks like, okay? Just to give you an idea of what it looks like, so you can have some kind of reference in your mind, right? You have your reference, and so what we're going to do, we're going to use the green roof hardscape link, and I'm going to cancel out of this, because the green roof, is that plumbing? Architect. So anyway, but yeah, so I copied this. This is the green roof hardscape. So in this plumbing plan, down here, this is the green roof hardscape. So I'm going to go back to the editing, okay? And we are going to go here. We're going to host a view. We're defaulted with the host view, but we're going to change it to link view for now, okay? Let's go, and we're going to choose, this is all from the architect's model. All of this information is the architect's model, okay? And I'm looking for hardscape, green roof hardscape here. Okay, I'm going to say okay to this, and I'm going to say okay to this. I'm going to get back to turning this, the grid from the architect's model off. So we are left with something that we can control. We can control our, what is it? Grids. I'm trying to control it, but something happened. I'm going to get back to that later. So what we have is something that we don't want, okay? We need to still clean this up. So we're getting a little closer. You know, the Christmas tree is kind of thinning out a little bit on us. No more lights and dangles and little icicles, right? They're all gone, except for a little bit of the little paper that you got wrapped around your tree, right? You know, that red scarf that you have around your tree, that's what this pink stuff is. Okay, let me get back to this. Where are we? So we're going back to the model. We're going back to the architect's model to see what's going on. By link view. I'm going to change this to custom now. I have the link view. Now we have everything. But the only difference that I want for this this link view that's already a green roof hardscape is the only difference would probably be the view range, okay? So that's the only difference. Everything else I'm going to I need to customize, okay? And for one, it's going to be that grid. I need to turn that off. So you go here, right? Let me go back again so you guys can get this. you just click here and type G, or you can go up and type S or T or whatever. If I want walls, I don't have to look here, move my mouse all the way over, come down to wall, right? So I can go here and type C for ceiling, but I want, what do I want? What do I want? I want G. So we type G, we're gonna turn the architect's grids off. We have the architect's grids off, and we are custom. And we have host, okay? Now, whatever your office standard is in this, however your office standards wants to filter out detail level, phase, all of that. It depends on your office standard. But I'm just giving you a overall basic what I'm seeing. You know, if I'm sitting at my desk and I need to get the project out in 2 hours, how do I set up my roof plan? Okay. So I'm going to go to the model category, because that scarf that's in the Christmas tree, we need to take that off because this doesn't look too good. Okay, so I go to custom, and you can see a lot of the information is off. And somewhere in here is that scarf. Is it the lines? I don't think so. It might be. Let me go down and see what else. I think it might be the rooms. What else is down here? Topo solid? I don't think so. But I do want my walls on. I want windows on. Door. Let's go back up to door. Okay. And what was on? I kept the lines on. Plumbing. Let's do plumbing. Plumbing fixtures. Okay. I think that's gonna be it. Let's take a look at this. There's no casework unless it's in the plumbing, because there is let's okay. Let's do this. Let's say okay. I'm gonna say okay to this. Okay. So there we have our roof plan. What was I looking at? Oh, casework. Now there could be casework in here, right? Where these lavatories, or it looks like a clinical sink. What are they calling this? That's off. So if the link, select link is on, okay, it's on. The red X is off. It's off now. I can't select this. If I hover over and choose tab, okay, I can't select anything. So I want to turn my select link on. So go over here and hover. Okay. So we can click that, and it is a sink wall barrier. So it's more or less a clinic sink if you look in the plumbing code, or plumbing for fixtures and their load, whether it's water supply or drainage fixtures. You will see that this is more or less a clinic, or if you Google that barrier wall, it's going to say it's a type of a clinical sink. So I don't know what's going on up here for it to be a clinical sink, but that's what it is. So I'm going to leave it. What was I doing? Looking at the casework, huh? Let's go back, and if I turn on the casework in custom, okay, let's do, where is it, casework? Let's see, say okay, anything? Nope. I'm gonna leave it alone. It's fine. Okay, so there's our vent coming up. So we have 5, which is the level below, and that's this vent. Okay, and we can go to this call out. Can I double click? Nope. Uh-oh. Let's go. Let's go to the call out here. This is the call out. But if I have 4 or 5 call outs, this it's gonna say 1, 2, 3. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Create similar. Let's go here, here. Okay, so yeah, and then another one. Let's create similar. Here, here. Okay, so when you creating these call outs, is this 1, 2, or 3? Does it say? No. It just says call out. Maybe this is gonna say 1, right? Yeah. Okay. 1, 1, 2. Oh, excuse me. The nerve. The nerve. So yeah, it's gonna identify itself if you that's fine. If you click on it, it's gonna say which one it is. That's just a call out. I guess you can rename these however you want. I would say call out 504, maybe. Let's do that. No, because it's on 5, 4. It's on the 4th level. It's on the 3rd level. Yeah, those 3. You see, so we can go to 3, sanitary 3. Now, okay, so it's here. So we can't call this call out. This is a call out here. And what I was gonna do was, we was going up, the vent going up, right? So I'm gonna annotate and tag leader attached. I want it to be free, and it's right here. So this is what you do in your call out. You put all your text in your call out, your plumbing, your piping. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And you can change the line type, right? This is a vent, so it should be dashed. And however your office standard is, usually the vent is in dashes, and depending on for the sanitary, it could be underground, above ground, it could be solid underground, it could be long dash, it could be anything. But this is let's just identify this guy. That's a vent. This is sanitary sewer, 2-inch. Okay, so that's what that is. And I think that I went over this type of layout in another video. Let's go back to, let's turn this off. Call out, turn that off. And we are here. Okay, so that's the 2-inch going up from the call out here. Okay, or in 5 it's the same, but it's just not identified in this call out. Let's go here. Where are we? Where are we? Here we are here. Okay, so we have our, this is the, so the roof plan is finished. Okay, and no, it's not finished. It's not finished. There are roof drains on this drawing. And I need to show, let's turn on the plumbing model, because the plumbing model has the roof drain locations. Well, let's see, where are we? We are, okay. What I'm trying to do now is look at the, you see, this is some of the plumbing model, in the linked plumbing model, okay. Now, my model will look similar, but it's gonna be different, okay. So what I'm looking for are the roof drains. And I think that what I'm gonna do now is go to my view range, and can I go let's go -5 and see what happens. -5, say okay. Okay, so here we are. So these are the roof drain locations. There's roof drain here, roof drain, and I'm gonna put these, well, yeah. When I get to the roof to do the roof drains, I'm gonna, do I have roof drains in here? So when you're in your project browser, You don't have to scroll down to your, see, this is what I would do usually. This is how it would happen. I would go down to my family's fixtures. Where is it? Fixtures, roof drain. I'm looking for a roof drain. Do I have a roof drain? Roof drain, roof drain. Here we go. Okay. So that's out, that's overflow. Storm drain. That's just storm drain. Let's do storm drain. You see, there should be two of these because one, this is why I'm this project for me is teaching how someone would do plumbing. This is how one engineer would design it, right? He only has one roof drain on here. For me, I would use a roof drain and an overflow drain. I would have two drains here. I think for me, for this project, I'm gonna have two roof drains. This is the sanitary 4-inch. Let's see. Okay, we have this one. And I'm gonna use an overflow drain also. And that's the overflow. So I'm gonna put it approximately, right? It's gonna approximate it. It's gonna put it like right here somewhere in that area. Okay, and then use my piping and go all the way, but that's gonna be after I do my sanitary and my water for this project. The roof drain is kind of, I wouldn't say last. We'll see. Usually it's gonna be, it depends. It depends. Okay, so you can see the plumbing. Is there any, let's look at the HVAC. Is there any HVAC up here? Let's do this. Turn off the plumbing. Okay. Okay. Anything? Ooh. Where is this? Must be, okay, these are just units that are under the slab of the ceiling. Where is this guy? Let's see. Let's look at this section. Go to view. What have we got? Okay. So let's turn on the HVAC in the section view. Let's go here. Section view. Let's go here. So it looks like it's these guys. They are right under. Is this R2? Yeah. Okay. So that's the green roof. So it's kind of confusing with what's going on with this roof plan and which one do you use. Now if I use R2 as my linked view, okay, because let's go over, let me turn off, let's do this. Come on. What happened? Go. Okay. And I'm going to turn off the plumbing. Wait. Yes. Okay. So what I'm trying to do is see what's going on here. This is what I'm looking for. This guy. Let's go over. What I'm trying to do is I need to look for these plumbing fixtures. And where is it? Is it on R2 or is it on green roof land? What is it? High stake? What is it? Hardscape. Let's go to 3 and turn on. See, there's our roof drainage. So it is, let's go back. Wow, that's kind of lucky that showed up like that. Now plumbing fixtures. Where are we? 5. We are 5. So it should be here. Let's turn on the architect's I'm going to cancel all of this because I'm by habit I'm typing VV on my keyboard, but you guys don't know that. So I'm going to go over here, and it's going to give me the same result. I'm going to get the visibility graphics override. You can type VV or go over here on the right-hand side. I am looking at my plumbing fixtures in this section view. PL, are they off? Okay, good. I was hoping that they were off. So they're here. Is that 5? This is 5, right? Yeah. Okay. So 5. Let's go down. I want to see where the floor is. Let's go here. So are these guys resting on the floor? Oh, we can get both of these. So you see, I can't. There's no handles here to grab. Right? There's one here. But that's why I like to keep my section tight, or smaller, because a lot of times, if it's too long, then you can't. You're not able to control your view. What's going on here? You're able to control what you're seeing. Okay. So, and let's go here. You see, this is, I don't know. I don't like the way the section view works. There's a lot of things I don't like about Revit. That's one of them. I can't think of another one. No, just no. There's so many good things about Revit. I don't want to make it sound like it's a bad thing, but that's one of the things I don't like about Revit, because I like the fact that if why not move I don't know what this thing is called, the view window, but why is it that it's independent of the section view? Why isn't there needs to be a way to lock this guy in so that when we move the bar here, the sliding bar, that the section bubble comes with it. I've seen sometimes it will work, but I can't figure out the process of it working where they're locked in place with each other, but it doesn't happen. So if your view is too long and you don't have a way to stretch your view in your section, you can always go over, just highlight it and go over to this far clip, okay? And you can estimate. So I wanted to cover the floor drains also. So I'm just gonna guess that let's go 4 feet, okay? And okay. Let's go here. Let's go 3. Okay, so it's up here. But, oh yeah, okay. So we are at green roof. Good. Okay, so I'm using the right, let's go back up. Green roof. Oh, I put it, when it took it to custom. But we chose green roof as our, when we started. Why is that grayed out like that? Is it because it's a section? Nope. Let's go here. Okay, I'm going to leave that alone. I still want to go back and see why that was grayed out. What's going on here? Oh, okay. I think because the section was highlighted. What? Sections highlighted, visibility graphics, and customs. Wow. Okay. So something's going on with the section view that you might be able to customize, because it's giving you some options, right? Because it's highlighted. So yeah, so I'm okay with the floor. It's on green roof. Green, what is it? Green roof hardscape. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna get this guy and then go to our selection box and just kind of look around. Just kind of look around the roof. Okay, we're gonna go here. Let's go here. Let's go here. Okay, let's go here. I want to get back over to the bathroom area. So we're here. Okay, so this is the bathroom area on the green roof hardscape. Go up a little bit. Okay, and that's our clinic. And over here looks like a trash chute. Okay, people walk in here, put the trash in there, goes down. Okay, that looks good. Okay, there's our roof drains. That's nice. Looks like some, what are those, crickets? That's not the edge. Huh, okay. But anyway, that's where the roof drains are. And this is how the roof looks. So these are the outlines, this zigzag type. That is this stuff. Let's go back. So that's this stuff, zigzag, zigzag. And I think these are stairs. Let's go to the, yeah, those are the stairs over here. So everything looks good. So that's the roof plan. Let's go down some. Okay, those are the stairs. Yeah, okay, so let's do this. Okay. So it looks like our basic roof is ready to be piped up. Okay, so pipe this up, and in construction you start at the bottom, right? You're gonna start at the bottom and work your way up. But in this form, because we have the model, and this is what the architects and all the other engineers and designers are thinking how this is going to be built, we start with the topmost, right? You start with the topmost drainage and the longest, right? Wherever that was, I think it was on the, the fifth floor, right? You start over there, try to get the most out of it, and you come down and you work your way down, right? You can't work your way up. You could, but your fixture units are gonna, it just doesn't, I don't know, that's just my preference. You can do it however you want to do it. Let's just put it like that, okay? So I'm gonna leave it at that. What's this? That's on the bottom. That's the floor below. And I think the reason is because it's looking at, the view range is a -5. Let's go back. See, -5. If it was 0, then it would be different. But it has to be this drainage. The drainage is going to be less than 0, which is a negative somewhere. And the reason that is showing, let's look here. We're going to go to that section. Okay, so you see, it's going through. Where's the green roof? Here's the green roof, and let's see how much room we have. I'm just going to do a detail, and it's, we stop at 13 inches below. So it's going to show up. Let's go back. Let's see. So I'll have to get to that later. Okay. So that's how we create our roof plan. Okay. So I hope that helped, guys, and I will talk to you guys later.